you know me. Like, I'm not... People sometimes will make jokes about Biden or whatever, and they try to size you up, like, what team are you on? But then I have to tell them that I think both your teams are retarded, you know? Like, my team... My team is the team that thinks all politicians are criminals. That's my team. They're all blood-soaked monsters. And more people should join that team. We're a good team. We've got a good roster. But I don't hate Joe Biden. Like, I hate every president of my lifetime. I can't get myself to hate Joe Biden. Joe Biden is the first president I've ever genuinely felt bad for. Like, I think it's wrong that we're making him do this. Clearly against his will. Like, you know he doesn't want to be president. You know every morning Joe Biden wakes up and he's like, please don't make me president today. Please. And then his wife is like, you get out there and you fucking president right now. And he's like, okay. And then... He doesn't know what he's doing. He never knows which direction to exit in. And you know that's all they talk to him about before the speech. They're like, just read the words in front of you and then exit left. And he reads the words and then he's like, fuck. Shit, they said exit something. I don't know. And he's always like doing this shit. It's just horrible. It's awful to watch. He does this thing, and I've never seen another politician do this, ever. Joe Biden does it a lot. But he does this thing where he'll start saying something, and then, like, he starts saying something, and then he like, stutters and stumbles, and then he just bails on what he was saying. Like, he just pretends it didn't happen. You know what I mean? Like, he'll start a sentence, and he gets, like, halfway through the sentence, and then he has a moment where he's like, look, we all know I'm not going to finish this sentence. So I'm just going to pull the parachute on this bitch. I'm hitting eject right now, and we're going to move on to something else. You know, he's like, we all know how it goes, you know. We hold these truths to be self-evident.